Good morning, guys. This is Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Yeah, it's Thursday. You know what? We've been waiting for CPI for quite some time now. So if you are still new to this channel, if it's your first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so that you don't really miss our daily update. Right? So you can see that later on we're going to have CPI, but the problem here is we have unemployment claims. So if we have some mixed number, we're not going to get any proper push to the market. I mean, proper push, whether up or down. We're not going to see any crazy move if these numbers are going to be mixed up. But what I see here on the screen, they say, or the forecast, or let's say the estimate or the numbers, they will be a bit higher, so which means inflation will be pushing a little bit up. And if that happens, it means the dollar is gonna get stronger, and that is not really nice. Right? But when we check our markets, I don't think maybe we're gonna see any crazy push. As I told you, I think this is gonna go a little bit lower. Even if maybe it goes up, it's not going to be surprising. So at the end of the day, we are still going to buy our Nasdaqs and gold and the other ones. So it's Thursday, and you know what? I thought, let me just show these people what we do in our group. Remember, before I continue on this, remember we have this special. You can join. You can see we have everything. This is our QR code. If you want to be part of the team, on the mentorship side, it's $350. But if you want lifetime signals and a mentorship at the same time, you're just going to pay one price, which is going to be $450. Then you save $350. So for the special, you can see that on the screen that our 12 months, or maybe we can call it yearly, it's $280. But for now, you can join here for $48. But this is limited until this Sunday. So we left with Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, we left with 4 days if we count today. So if you want to be part of the team, let me know, and you can join yearly for $48. Simple as that. So you can see that this $48 is way too smaller than actually our 3 months subscription. But everyone's supposed to eat, so we give some other people some chance to eat. So let me show you our signals, the signals that we had this week. So let me take this to where? Okay, I think here's gonna be fine. So let's see. From the 4th, okay, it's fine. You can see we have a buy on EURUSD. I'll be showing you the chart after, or let me just show you for this week, because we've been smashing the market since this year started. So you can see S&P 500, it was a buy also. You can see S&P 500, we were buying ever since, but we are out now. You can see that. So if we go on US oil, you can see a sell there. I will be showing that US oil, I think, yeah, even let me just go from where our latest signals. So US oil, it was on a sell, and I told my people to get out. You can see, let me remove this. You can see that we had a very nice sell from around this area up to this, but our take profit was a little bit lower. But I told my people, you know what, get out. This thing, it seems to be reversing, and they listened. I hope they did listen. So yeah, now it's reversing. Maybe we'll wait for another sell. So let's go on the next one, which is going to be US30. Close your US30 with profit. You can see we had a buy on US30. You can see on the screen. Then when we say join with $48, so it's not like maybe we're trying to do something. You can see the market is pushing up, but we are reaching that resistance. Okay, it's fine. Let's go on another one. People, they will say Kenzo, whatever. Maybe that is not everything. EURUSD is still consolidating, but we can hold a little bit. You can see that. So now it's pushing up. You can see I am expecting Euro USD to keep pushing up. These are the signals that I've sent. So AUD, USD, I think this one was not really moving that much. Now we are very closer to the, already we triggered that pending order. You can see this is pending order. And you can see even the structure here. Quite simple. Okay. So USD CAD, I was expecting it to sell. So it was a bit slower. You can see now it's pushing a little bit lower. These are the signals that we send, guys. Gold, buy. Gold, it was also playing games, obviously. But I'm expecting it to push to the upside after we break this area. So what else? What else? Nasdaq, it's obvious. It's obvious. We smashed that. You can see where the market is now. So the market is pushing up. We're already out on this one. Which one is this one? Euro USD. Oh, this is gold and gold. Okay, it's fine. So you can see all the signals that we actually had this week. We were just smashing, guys. So that's why we say join the team. Yeah, that's why we say join the team. Then maybe we'll start to eat. But if you want to learn, you can just join a mentorship. So yeah, let's just go straight to the charts and just do some quick analysis. So don't forget that today it's CPI day. So what's really happening? I'm expecting the market to push lower. Let me just make it like this. Yeah, I'm expecting to see the market pushing lower. You can see that this area, guys, it's been very strong. I'm talking about this resistance. This resistance has been very strong. So I'm expecting to see a nice push to the lower side, and you can start to realize to see that DXY is going down. This is the dollar index. It indicates, or it's an sort of an indicator for US whether the market is stronger or weak. US dollar, if it's stronger or weak, you will see it by this DXY index. So yeah, and what we see here is it was obvious the market was pushing up. We reached the resistance. Then now the market is trying to do what? The market is trying to go lower. But don't expect a nice push now. I'm expecting it during the day when they release CPI, right? I'm expecting it around that time, not now, but already the market is starting to move. So, but let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. We are on a dollar ZAR, USD ZAR, not really moving that much, but we've been on this uptrend for quite some time now. So now the market is trying to push a little bit lower, which is fine because we are coming from this resistance. You can see the market did touch the resistance here, there. You can see that. So we have this resistance going down. So the market is creating this wedge structure, but I'm still expecting to see a nice sell as nice sell until maybe we reach this support before we can even think about buying, unless if maybe the market is going to break that that support, then we can think twice. But for now, we are still on a very stronger bullish momentum. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. So what do we see now? We are on USD JPY. Where we are now, we are on a very important structure, because if you check, the market was going down very nice. We had a very nice structure going down, but we saw a breakout around number 5. This breakout, yes, we welcome that, but what we see here is the market, we have an area around this level. So that area we have to, for us, because we don't really want to lose unnecessarily. If you check this area, I can also do it like this. You can see that also on this area, it's also around the same level, this level and this level. It's not like maybe I'm forcing the market to sell, but what I want here is, let's have a proper breakout, then we can do what? We can continue going up. Why? Because we don't really want to buy and then the market reverse like here. And that is possible. The market can still do the same thing. Remember, actually a dollar is a bit weaker now, so it means there is a room for the dollar to still go lower. So, but the market is testing this area, which is very nice, and I like that. Oh, okay, it's my dogs. So I like that. So what we see here is we have something like this as a resistance. So now for us, we can say if we break this area now, we will be ready to do what to buy. But if the market doesn't really break that area, I see a 4-hour rejection there. It means there is a chance for the market to do what? To push even lower. Simple as that. But we will see it later. I'm not forcing the market to sell, but I'm just saying that if it doesn't really break that area, I am ready to look for that sell, right? So don't just jump on a buy and stuff like that. The market might be trying to adjust this trend as it's been pushing lower for quite some time. You can see on other pairs, dollar is very struggling. So now we are on GBP, USD. Let's correct that. Yeah, I like this. If you still remember, we were here at the start of the trend. Look where the market is. You will see the power of trends now, if maybe you were not focusing on that. So you can see that the market has been giving us these nice pushes. So yes, where we are now, we are very closer to the resistance. There's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do there. So we are waiting for this resistance. You can't buy there. So maybe the market will find a reversal. So this is the trick one here, because yes, we are on this uptrend, but if maybe the market, let's say during the news, and then the market is on that resistance, and you saw the news, they say they're going to be positive, it means there is a chance that the market can sell where they say the news, so where they say any CPI is going to be positive. They might be right, and it means maybe the market will be selling and maybe reach this support area before pushing up. Remember, one economic news or one news event or one fundamental, it doesn't really have enough power to change the market structure. The market might still continue with the trend, whether the market is positive, whether the news are positive or negative. So yeah, so this is the thing that I'm worried about here is this area, because the market can touch this, and then the news, they release the news, and then the market might push lower, or the market will then break out. Then it will mean that inflation will be going down. So we need to be careful, because if the market was still around this support area, I was just going to buy without even looking back. But now where the market is, it's a bit difficult. But what we can do is let's just relax. We'll see what will happen. It is still early. The market can still give us some proper moves, but the bigger structure is we are still on that uptrend. I'm still very, very bullish, but where the market is difficult for us to buy, especially unless if maybe the market reaches this area and already maybe we are broken out, I can continue buying. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. The Euro USD that I was talking about. So now we are on Euro USD. Nice structure. Nice, very nice structure. The market has been playing game for quite some time. But now at the end of the day, the market is doing what? The market is pushing to the upside, but the market has been playing around. I told my people to hold because the market might end up pushing up. It seems like now the market is doing that. It seems like now the market is pushing up, which is very nice. So, but the structure is quite simple. There's nothing much I can talk about there. It's just an uptrend. The market was on a support area. Then the market is just continuing, and we just holding whatever that we're holding as we had this position for quite some time. So where we are, I will just wait and see what will happen with these markets, because I'm expecting to buy CPI, but now the market is already pushing up. Maybe we'll break this resistance. We don't know, but we will see. We will see where the market will be around around the release of CPI. But the bigger structure, the overall structure, I'm still bullish for quite long here. I'm still bullish. So yeah, that's what I see. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is gold. Gold is pushing to the upside, but the structure is quite straightforward also. Since we've drawn this, you can easily see that the market is actually pushing to the upside. The market is pushing to the upside, which we can call that an uptrend, which means we're supposed to look for what? For buy positions. But just because we are looking for buy positions, it doesn't really mean that the market will just every day run to the... No, sometimes the market can consolidate 3 days, 4 days. But what we know is, yes, the market is still on that uptrend. If we check here, you can see that we have a smaller area. You can also, someone can say, Kenzo, don't you see something like that? Yes, I also see that. So we did have a pending order above this. Unfortunately, I removed that. So after the market breaks out here, it means we will be in that trade. So I'm still bullish. Whatever that happens here, it will happen. But if maybe the news are going to be out and the market is around this level, I'm just going to avoid the trades. Then I will just wait for maybe some reversals and stuff like that and continue. Or I will just wait for the news release and then I will enter after. I'm not forced to enter before the news they release because sometimes it's just guessing, you see. Sometimes it's just guessing, and hey, guessing with money is not nice because losing that is not going to be nice. So let's push to the next one. We're still nicely on bullish on gold, right? So now we are on US30 Dow Jones blue chip. So what's really happening? The market is still pushing up very nice. We can see that the market is pushing up, and now so what I see, what I see is the market is on this resistance. Maybe the market will push lower, we don't know. But if we break that area, if we break this area, that is going to be a very nice thing that I've been waiting for it to happen. Then we will be preparing our buy above this area. Then we will hold until CPI. But you know what? We've been eating, so it's not like maybe we're going to go greedy. But as long as the market is still on this resistance, I will be waiting for maybe a reversal or maybe a breakout. So one of that. But if maybe we see the market reverse, I'm not going to sell. Why? Remember, I don't really go against the trend. Simple as that. So it means I'm reducing some of the risk that might happen because sometimes the market can reverse little bit, and you will think maybe the market will sell. Hey, the market might push up, and you will think your broker is doing something against you. And it's unfortunate because as long as you know that your account is not even on 1 million, I don't think they really care about your account, you see. So unfortunately, that is the truth. So what's really happening on Nasdaq, guys? Don't forget that we have $48. $48. You can see we have a yearly. On this yearly, we're going to cut this. So it's 12 months. Then you can pay $48. So now we decided the special ends this Sunday. So we have 3 days left, or 4 days if you count today. So let me know if you want to receive VIP signals. But we have the bigger one. If you want lifetime signals and you want to be part of a mentorship, yes, you can just pay one price, which is $450. Then you can be part of the team. So on this one, you're gonna learn how to, you see how I do the analysis very quick and already deciding where to buy, where to sell. Those skills, they will be given to you in no time, and until you start to make profit, then I won't leave you. I will make sure that I hold your hand until you start to eat. And guys, we remember I said we need 30 people. I think we have very few. I think we only have 3. So if maybe you want to be part of the team, you still have that chance. There were people who promised, but some they did not continue with that. So if maybe you want to be part of the team, just know that we still have that space. And I want to start this January with you because we already started last week. So you are still early, and it's one-on-one. So it's a live session online, one-on-one. Simple as that. So on Nasdaq, you can easily see that the market is pushing up. We've been preaching about this since December. Now it's January. We go into Feb, March. We'll be just talking the same thing. But if maybe you can listen here and there, maybe we're going to capitalize. I hope maybe you understand what I'm trying to say here. So yeah, where we are already, you can see that the market is very closer to the resistance. The market is way too closer to the resistance, so which means there is a chance for the market to do what? For the market to reverse. If not, if the market is not going to reverse, we might see the market breaking out and pushing to the upside. But don't play around this area. You know that you did it. I'm talking about people in the group. If you did smash the market, I don't expect you to play around, because the market might give you a very bigger reversal, so that might not be a good idea, right? So we are still bullish, by the way. I will be updating my people in the group. So you can see that S&P 500 is also flying. There's nothing much to check there, but I like the fact that it seems like it's getting out. It's getting out of this. It's breaking out. Oh, I said I will be doing a Bitcoin also. So let's check Bitcoin. I'm not going to check much. This video is already longer. So, but what's really happening on Bitcoin? I also like Bitcoin, guys. For those who don't know, Bitcoin is on this nice uptrend, aggressive uptrend. But what do we know? Around these times, the market mostly starts to give us those sell vibes, right? But let's see what's really happening. So where we are, you can easily see that now the market is pushing up. Very nice. Yeah, obviously the market is pushing up. You can see that. So we'll be going, I think we will just start nicely on Monday, man. I forgot today because I was just happy that we traded very nice for the whole week. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.